no future until your mind comes back.
She called me a kid. I feel so.
I can't.
What's good, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sule M, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And for all my returning subbies, thank you guys for tuning in to yet another video by me. So today is Saturday. I woke up like 2 hours ago. I've been busy trying to find a nice outfit, which I found. So my dad just landed from Durban, so we are gonna go have brunch with him and just chill with him. Then later on, I'm meeting up with a friend of mine from high school, although we only became friends like after high school. So I'm excited about that as well. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing today. It's such a cute dress. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what I am wearing. It's a cute dress with sandals on. So I got this dress at a market here in the States when we had like a market day. So I bought the dress there. Sorry guys, look, it's a bit of a mess background, so excuse the mess. So this is what I'll be wearing. Cute. This is what I'll be wearing, showing some legs. I've been missing to show my legs. Okay, so yeah, I'm with a black bag, and I'll be wearing black shades as well. So yeah, let's go. So do you guys know the song by Cubana? Kisandela ne? Kuthe kuthanda umuntu, kuthe kuthanda umuntu. My sister over kuthe kuthanda umuntu. It doesn't say that. It doesn't say that. I've been saying that. So yeah guys, I'm the passenger because you know, I mean, baby girl, I'm the queen today. I'm kidding guys.
Queen.
Yeah, but I am the queen, you know.
Look at this van holding the whole.
I do not say the bottom on the roads, you know, they're very like right now my friend in Bloom, he was calling me, he's like, hey, the road rage this woman after I turned around. Guys, road rage,
They will shoot you.
and that's what I told him. I'm like, that lady, what if she had a gun and she will shoot you because she's angry as well? No, they don't want you to shoot that back.
What gun?
Ah, my man. But anyway, kunje kuthanda umuntu, kunje uthanda umuntu.
Let's just enjoy the song and the lyrics.
Yeah, guys, so I'll tell you guys when we're there. Welcome home.
Thank you, ladies, for picking me up halfway. Even though you were very late, but I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You don't like late. I like I'm late.
Yeah.
You don't have patience. You don't have a bone of patience at all.
It's a waste of
But
time.
when people wait for you, it's annoying.
I'm never late. Never.
I am so proud of my sister. She drove, guys. Go on the freeway. Nele Mugel. Answer the track and the Diana. Answer no. Get my boots. I'm so proud of her. Anyway, I'm back home. I'm just gonna retake my photos because I'm not that happy with them. And then I'm gonna change, and then I'm gonna meet Lagato at the garage, pick her up, then we're gonna go chill. We're taking catch up. I'm so excited. And also Tasha's was so amazing. The food there is always fresh. Like I've never had a bad experience with Tasha's, but the one in Bedford, luxury. It's giving luxury. Outfit number 2 of the day. You know, it's just very casual. It's a very casual, laid back Saturday. Really tight fitting clothing is not my brand for today. And yeah, guys, I think the dress I was wearing, I'm just a bit insecure about my breast. I don't know why all of a sudden, because I'm fine. But just, I don't know, something is going on with me today. But I changed, and this is what I'm wearing. Sandals, a jean, and this orange hemp shirt. Yeah, that's my vibe for the rest of the day. She got me again. I feel so bad because guys, Mari said these shorts, it's fine.
No, I want you to open it. Like,
You want me to open it?
yes, there's like this cute letter, especially the letter.
Oh my gosh, guys, Lagato is like the cutest. Like what? Oh, okay. Hey friend. Oh, okay. It says, hey friend. So I was reflecting on my life and I realized just how grateful that you are in my life, and this is just a small token of gratitude to say here is to, what's this?
Friend.
To and
Is my handwriting that bad?
It's to infinity.
2 of infinity.
2 of
'Cause we've been
infinity
friends
years
for
of
2 years.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, I'll not say
friend.
that. Ooh, Shem, this girl. This time.
Maybe be there through every celebration and every year, especially Tears of Joy. I love you so much, Lerato. Oh, guys.
Okay, no, but turn it around because it explains the game.
Okay. I tried being cute by writing this in your favorite color, yes, and putting your lactose intolerance into consideration, yes, and what you use for your skin. I hope you like it. This is why I asked. You see, guys, friendship.
Okay, check the game.
That's his hair. Oh, nah, that's your girls worldwide.
I wanted to I can't take so much. I'm dissatisfied. I'm not happy. This is my review. Firstly, the food is small. Right? Okay, fine, fade it. The cheese hasn't even melted, guys. Like, how do we even know if the food is hot if the cheese hasn't melted? Do you check? Please zoom in on the guac.
Guys, we are leaving in the next 5 minutes. In the next 5 minutes, we are going.
No ways.
guys, I parked my car next to this one because I'm manifesting yeah, Porsche. Yeah. La tlhaloganya akere re shop ka di avocado abuti re shop ka di avocado nna ke shapo let me tell you guys what's happening, what's popping. So we decided to change location because the music was not giving, the drink was also not giving. So
channel at
absolute so we are here in Southgate, Cubana. I've never been to this Cubana, but yeah, let's go just have fun, you know. Bye bye.
obviously because you're me. So we decided to switch locations, right? I failed. We switch locations, we come to Cubana, Southgate. Is this Hans dad not here?
My dad is here.
Like, and the thing is, she spoke about it and I thought she was lying, right? So I'm like, so let's sit down. She's like, no, my dad is here, we need to switch location. And I'm like, how are we switching location?
Yeah, guys.
And then he's like, no, I'll leave. And I'm like, dude, tell your dad to leave because we need. Shinela gore yena o ntse manala and nna ka wa
engagement. I don't have any there.
Door.
Another Saturday without uncles saying your clan names at the gate. Nothing.
Just
vibes. Guys, so it is the following day. It's Sunday today and I am so tired. The school was so exhausted. My plan for the day was to wake up extremely early so I can cook because my mom is away on a girls trip. My sister's writing exams, so you know there needs to be food. I wanted to cook, wake up really early and cook, then go to the mall, then spend the day with my boyfriend and 4 ways. But like I'm so exhausted, and I called him this morning and I was like, yo baby, like I'm really tired, like I just want to have like a day indoors, you know, so I can sleep, wake up, just become fresh, because this coming week is month end at work, so I need a fresh mind, a fresh body. I need to be really like on my feet, you know. So yeah, I'm really bummed out about that, I won't lie. Like I'm really sad because today is Formula One is back from the summer break, right? So it is Formula One day today. So I wanted to watch that Grand Prix with him, but unfortunately that won't be happening. I'm sad because I do miss him as well. But yeah, it is what it is. So right now I am going to go to the mall because I need to return this lovely top that my mom got me, okay? It's in my favorite color and it's a crop top type of thing. Guys, let me tell you guys, Fushini has got such amazing items for summer or spring, summer/spring. So she got me this cute top. It's a crop top. And I think silk is like the in thing because that's what Fushini has at the moment. They have a lot of silk items. So it's got like a puffy sleeve type of thing. It's in the size large. It fits me. But like my bust area is a bit big. Like I don't like wearing something and then there's like gaps here and you need to pull it. No. So I'm gonna go get a bigger size for this. I'm gonna get an extra large. So I just want to go exchange this because there was a tweet on Twitter about Fushini having a lot of nice items, and I give it leave this for long and then I don't get a size because everybody else is flocking to Fushini. So I don't want that. So I'm going today as tired as I am. I wanted to take my car for car wash, but that's not gonna happen because I know by now the malls are full. I don't have an hour or an hour and a half at the mall. I'm just gonna go to Fushini, change this, and also there's a few items that I need to get at the mall, and then I'm gonna come home, start cooking, and relax the rest of the day. So that's what I'll be doing today. So basically yesterday we went to Cubana and okay, we went to Don Pablo's first, which is in the south. The vibe was just, it was like 2K vibe. Like, I mean, I remember 2K, so it was giving like 2K vibes. We didn't stay there for long. We just had like one drink each, and we had tacos, and then we left. We went to Cubana. So on my way to Cubana, right, my dad sends me a text. Why am I saying my mom? My dad sends me a text that he's going to Cubana in Southgate, but because I was on my way there, I didn't see his WhatsApp, you know. So when I get there, he's there, and it's like really awkward. Like, okay, what's supposed to happen? So I'm like, Tilagate, we found my dad here. Let's go, because like I can't chill in the same area as my dad. I mean, that's just, it's weird, you know. And then my dad is a very cool gent. He's like, no, you guys stay. I'll go. I'll be the one that goes. And then he packed the corona, you know, and then he packed up his drinks and then he left. And I felt like, oh damn, you know. But anyway, we had a lot of fun. It's just men are annoying, okay? Like two girls chilling together and we don't want to be like, we don't want you in like why are you trying to involve yourself? Men are just very annoying, okay? I think that's why I don't go out as much, because men are the pits. Like, men just patina, okay? Patina. Like, if I'm going out with my girl, I don't need any male whatever, okay? If I needed any male whatever, I would have went out with my boyfriend. Like, it's just also like the whole touching, don't touch me, I don't know you, like that. I was just a bit annoyed. I was annoyed because this man. Anyway, yeah, so right now I'm gonna go to the mall. And yeah.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you
getting my dresses. I guess you guys will have to stay tuned onto my channel to see which dress I bought, okay? Just take a guess. Oh guys, I'm happy. Happy. Nothing like a clean car makes me happy. Yo, I'm so happy. It looks very clean. Hey guys, so I am back home. Yeah, there's not so many things. There's a couple of things that I bought. I bought macaroni because we have from Woolies. And then at Pick and Pay, I bought these soups, cream of mushroom, because I'm going to use this to do my pasta bake. Ooh-wee. Okay, I bought the blueberry swirl cheesecake from Woolies. This was going to be for dessert. And there was a special to buy 3 of these for 65 Rand from Woolies. I love pineapple, okay? I'm an advocate of you must eat pineapple every week. Pineapple is good for you, okay? It is good for you. And then there was also a special of seedless grapes. I think it was, yeah, you save 10 Rand when you buy 2. You're saving 10 Rand basic. And I've got pouring cream, which I'm gonna use, and then I got mozzarella cheese, and then I got these from Pick and Pay for my sister and I. It's chocolate. Oh my gosh. Anyway, and guys, I got lettuce as well. Got lettuce, and I've got bananas because our bananas are finished. We only have oranges and apples for the week. And then I also bought brown bread from Woolies. And then I got such cute dresses from Pick and Pay, guys. I'm not gonna show you guys what I bought go for Sheenies, because I mean that's like exclusive, okay? It's like exclusive. I want you guys to guess which dress did I get. Did I get the red silk dress, or the purple one, or the nude one? You guys will just have to keep watching my channel to see which dress I got. I'm so excited about this dress. I don't know who. So guys, please invite me out to like a cute and I like serious things, or like a wedding, something like that, you know. And then from Pick and Pay clothing, I got the cutest dress. Spring, Baba, spring. I got, look at this olive green dress. It's a short dress, you know. It's got this. I love dresses that have this because of my bust. I've got a big bust area. This area is very big, so I like the stretchy material. So I got this for $2.50 at Mr. Price. Look at Mr. Price. Pick and Pay clothing. And I also got a jumpsuit. This is a jumpsuit. It's got a belt and everything. I also got this for $2.50. And yeah, that's basically what I got. Oh yes, I also washed my car. I was like, it wasn't full by the car wash, so I was like, what, let me just get it over and done with and wash the damn car. And oh yes, I also got a big bottle of sparkling water because I'm very dehydrated today. I need to drink a lot of water if I want to have a good week. So that's what I got. I'm gonna start cooking now because yeah, if I sit down, I'm going to delay cooking. So I'm just gonna pack everything away and then I'm gonna start cooking. So yeah. Can we be honest? No fruit is as better as pineapple. Pineapple is the top tier fruit. This thing is so nice, like We can never go wrong. And the ones from Woolies are always sweet. 365 days of the year, they're always sweet. You'll never come across a bad bunch, which is what I love. Pineapple is life. Yay. Yeah. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. I'm really satisfied.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Wait, hold up. My cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man. And it feel like baby, I swear, it's like
Hey guys, so after cooking and eating, I fell asleep. I didn't even watch Formula One. As soon as I heard that Hamilton is out, I was like, ugh, you know. But anyway, I just woke up like 2 hours ago. I was sleeping on the couch, and my dad was taking pictures of me. Like, that's so weird. Like, this like weird behavior. But yeah, it was so nice to catch some rest. I'm almost done with my 1.5 liter. Almost done. And I've started even editing this vlog as well. I really had an amazing weekend. I started on Friday actually, but I didn't think Friday was worth vlogging because it was just chilling with friends. And on Friday, my friends are like, when are you hosting? And then yesterday, Lerato was like, friend, when are you hosting? Guys, I will host, okay? And also as well, when it comes to me, like when I do hosting and stuff, body deco, body in, and those things are quite expensive. And I don't have to do that because my friends are like chilled, laid back people. I can just have a braai. You know what I mean? So I think because I've been getting so many requests to host, I will host my friends. Just the braai, pool area vibe, you know. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you really loved it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please share, please comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. But for now, it is goodbye.